Welcome back to MT Engineering. In this tutorial we are going to model this car using Solidworks with the help of blueprint picture that I get from internet, and we will also see many surface commands in Solidworks. So without wasting your time, let's jump right into it. First you have to open a part. After that, choose the front plane to insert a picture of the front of the car. Then go to sketch tools and sketch picture. After that, we choose the front side of the car, and we will try to adjust it at the center. Yes, right there. Then after that, we have to we have to draw a center line to get the perfect center of the car. Yes, just a little bit dragging. Okay, yes, I think it is the right position. Then you go to this command and pick the color that you want to be transparent. Then drag them both to 1. Then exit the sketch. Then choose right plane, sketch, and insert the picture, tools, sketch tools, and sketch picture. After that, we need to take right side of the picture into SolidWorks. Then after that, try to position this picture, drag down. Okay, I think this is the right position. So using this command, try to pick the point and make them transparent. Exit the sketch. Then choose the top plane, sketch, normal. After that, tools, sketch tools, sketch picture. Since it is 90-degree rotated, we have to rotate it 90-degree. After that, try to adjust at the center. Yes, I think it is the right position. Then choose a picture, choose a point, then make them both transparent and tolerance to 1. Okay, now we have to find the length of the car, so we need to draw a line. Then construction geometry to make them construction line, smart dimension, and we know about dimension. It is around 420. Exit the sketch. After that, we need to make a plane that is parallel to the front plane, but which is at the back of the front plane. 420 millimeter, then flip type 420, then okay. Then we need to add a sketch the back of the car. Normal, go to tools, sketch tools, sketch picture, then choose the rear side of the car and try to adjust it at the center. After that, choose the color from the picture that you want it to be transparent. Okay, then exit the sketch. Now we will begin since we don't need them, then we need to add all of them in the folder called image. Since we don't need them right now, we have to hide them. Hide. Then choose the front plane, sketch. No, exit. We choose right plane. Yes, I think it is proper. And we choose spline and draw one spline. After that, awake the cursors and try to adjust them. Yes, adjust it. Yes, then exit the sketch. Choose the top plane, sketch, and choose spline. The same, draw this from up to there. Then try to adjust it. I think it is better. Then a little bit. Exit the sketch. Then we have to choose all sketches and curves, project curves. Okay, so now we get a 3D sketch. Then the same process, repeat the same process. Spline, yes, select this, try to adjust it, try to mimic the line. Exit the sketch. Sketch top in the top plane, then spline. The same process, drag it up a little bit, then adjust it. After that, exit the sketch. Similarly, select them both and go to curves, project curves, click OK. Yes, we get a nice 3D curves. So go to lofted surface, then click both of them, then drag. Yes, we get a nice smooth curve. .3D sketch, spline. After that, make them perpendicular, then drag a little bit. Okay, then try to adjust with a curve. Exit. Surface, boundary surface. Choose this line and this line in the direction 1, and in the direction 2 choose this line and this line. Then we get a nice surface. Then OK. I think those are better. Click OK. Then choose right plane. Sketch. Make them wireframe. Then choose spline. Then draw the line from there to there. Select. Adjust it with a curve. Okay. Choose OK. Exit the sketch. Then select top plane sketch. Similarly, spline from there to there. Select. Then try to adjust it with the curve. Since it doesn't mimic the curve, right click insert a point and click there, select, then drag it a little bit up, then try to adjust it in a correct way. Okay, I think it is better now. Yes, exit the sketch. Similarly, select both the sketches and curves, project curve, click OK, back to solid edge, then lofted, choose lofted surface, then choose both lines and click OK. So we now get better. Okay. Then choose the top plane sketch, back to wireframe, choose a spline, draw a spline from this point to this, to there, and to there. Then select, try to adjust it with the curve. Yes. Yes, I think it is better now. Okay. Then exit the sketch, back to solid edges, 3D sketch. Then select the edge of the surface. Then convert entities. Exit the sketch. Then choose right plane, normal, 3D sketch. Then choose a spline and draw a spline from there to there. Then select, then try to adjust it with the curve of the car. Yes. Then exit the sketch. Then choose front plane, right plane. Then draw a line from there to okay. Since you don't get it, then from there up to there. After that, delete this perpendicular line since you don't need it now. Try to adjust with the line in this line. I think it is better. Exit the sketch. Similarly, select both of the sketches and project curve. Okay. Okay. Edit the sketch. Normal. choose a line, draw a line from this around perpendicular to this sketch. Select, then exit the sketch. Now, then select both the lines and tools, spline tools, fit spline to make them one as one spline. Then it is one line. Then drag it a little bit down. Yes. Exit the sketch. Then spline, sketch from this to this. Then choose the front plane, normal, and adjust the spline. Yes, I think it is the right position. Exit the sketch. Now it is ready. Then choose lofted surface. Then choose this line, select OK. Choose this line, then drag a little bit there. Yes, as a guide curve, choose this line and this line, so we get a nice curve. Yes. Then we have to add on this surface the front. Then choose the sketch. Wireframe and add a spline. Then try to mimic this line. To there, 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 and there. Exit the sketch. No. Then try to adjust it. A little bit down. Yes. Then again, choose a spline. Start from there to there to there. Try to mimic the line, the curve. Then up to there and there. Select. Since we don't need this constraint, we have to delete them both. Delete, click, delete. Then drag it to the right a little bit. Both of them. Yes. Now we get a nice smooth curve. So exit the sketch, select the picture and project curves, split curves. Then we need to project those curves into this surface. Then we get a nice thing. then hide the font, hide all of the sketches, and select this surface, this surface, and this surface, and delete them. Delete the face. Okay. Then unhide them. Then choose the right plane. Then choose a line from there to there. There. Select. Exit the sketch. Choose the top plane. Sketch. Choose a spline that goes from this point to this point. Select. Then try to adjust with this line of the sketch. This is the sketch. Select them both. Curves. Project curve. Select OK. Then choose 3D sketch. Then choose this point down there. And drag it a little bit. Choose this point from there. Choose normal to the top plane. And this point and this point. Try to adjust it. Then choose both lines, make them tangent. Then adjust it a little bit. Exit the sketch. Then go to lofted surface. Choose this line and this line, then click OK. Again, you have to fill this surface with fill command surface, then choose this line and this line, click OK. Now we get a nice curve.